Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha Pawar and I am student from Breathsung classes. So today I will discuss about the digestive system. So the digestive system is a continuous tract which is start from the oral cavity, also called as mouth, and ending at the anus. So the digestive system, also called as alimentary canal or also called as a gastrointestinal tract. So the gastrointestinal tract is divided into two parts: upper GI tract and a lower GI tract. So the upper GI tract contains oral cavity, oesophagus, and a stomach, and the lower GI tract contains small intestine and a large intestine. So in the upper GI tract, first is the oral cavity. So in the oral cavity, food is break down into the food bolus with the help of saliva, and this process is called as mastication, which is technically called as a chewing. In that, saliva is mixed into the food for produces the food bolus, which is come from the salivary gland and secreted by the salivary gland. After that, uh, this food bolus is converted into the oesophagus, and in that food bolus lubricated with the mucus before transfer into the stomach. So third part is the stomach. So the stomach is a center of our body, both physically and functionally. So stomach act as a two types. Like first, in the first, stomach act as the storage of food in our body, and secondly act as a secreting acids and enzymes for break down the fats and proteins and carbohydrates in our from the food bolus. After that, stomach transfer the food into the duodenum, and the second part is the lower gastrointestinal tract. So the in the lower gastrointestinal tract contains small intestine and a large intestine. Small intestine is a first step in the lower gastrointestinal tract. It is 20 feet long and smaller in diameter than the large intestine. Because of this is called as small intestine. And in the small intestine absorb the nutrients from the breakdown food, and passes them into the bloodstream. And small intestine divided into the three parts, that is duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. From the duodenum, food chemic move into the jejunum, and from the jejunum, food bolus is converted into the ileum. So from the ileum, the food from the ileum, the food bolus is transferred into the cecum. So the cecum is a first part of large intestine. So in the large intestine, absorb the water from the waste, and this waste is converted into the stool, and large intestine store this stool into the rectum um, when it is not uh, passed out from the body. So this is the work this is how digestive system is a work in our body. So the main function of the digestive system is first is the digestion. In that, digest the food, and the second is the absorption. In that, absorb the nutrients and transfer it into the bloodstream. And the third function is the elimination, means eliminate the in it means eliminate the waste products from our body with the help of anus. So in this video we are learn about how digestive system is a work in our body. Thank you.